yesterday, Mr. Madala, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Thank you. You said you met Lieutenant General Sabia on 3 occasions. You recall that?
Yes, I recall that.
Okay. The first meeting was in January 2024 to discuss the lease contract. You had contacted him because he was then the acting national commissioner. And that's referenced at paragraph 14 on page 5 of your statement. And the following meeting was some 1 or 2 months later, which is also referenced at paragraph 15, page 5. But in the third meeting, which you referred to, you mentioned that you were questioned by General Sabia about the kidnapping of a Jerry Boshoga. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Now, in his evidence, General Sabia did not mention that he, or did not disclose that he met you regarding the kidnapping or the alleged kidnapping of Jerry Boshoga. His evidence was that he knew you because you were a service provider to the police and you needed assistance. He actually said that, yes, he knows, and it sounded quite plausible, you know, you're around, you're a service provider, he knows you, many other people know you. It's not a big deal to know you because you're around as a service provider. So the fact that he didn't mention something as significant as discussing the kidnapping of Jerry Boshoga to us, is he not being truthful when he didn't disclose this to us? Or are you being untruthful to disclose this to us? Because according to him, that never happened.
If I was untruthful, I wouldn't mention it.
So you sticking to your version?
Yes.
That you met him on that occasion
yes.
about?
Yes.
Yeah. So roughly when did this third meeting take place?
It was in December
of 2024.
Yes.
So in what sort of capacity was he questioning you about Boshoga's kidnapping? Was it was this before the raid on the 6th of December or after the raid on your house on the 6th of December?
It was after.
After?
Yes.
Because your evidence, in fact, yesterday, if I recall, and you must correct me if I'm wrong or incorrect, was that the policemen, as it turned out to be later, Colonel Khumalo, they asked you about Jerry Boshoga. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
And that was on the 6th?
Yes.
Now, was General Sabia questioning you because you are a witness to the kidnapping, or was it because you are a suspect in the kidnapping of Boshoga?
No, he was asking me, I'll assume as a witness.
So you assume he was approaching you as a witness, but certainly we know from your evidence yesterday, Colonel Khumalo and his team, when they raided your place, they came to search your house for Boshoga. So you were then regarded as a suspect. Must be.
Suspect, you mean on the 6th of December?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Did General Sabia tell you that he was personally investigating the kidnapping of Bashorga?
Yes.
Did you meet him alone? Were there any other police officers present when you met him?
No, he was alone.
Have you so if this was after the raid, was he aware that you had been raided? Did you tell him you were raided and that at least one of the reasons why the police said they were raiding you was because they were looking for the kidnapped Bashorga?
Yes, I told him.
Did he know that it was Colonel Kumalo and his team who had raided your place?
I think I'll assume so. I'm not sure, but since he's the head of detectives, he will know that.
So, did you didn't find anything peculiar or wrong with him now asking you questions about Bashorga when you had now already been raided by the police? We know that they searched your house. They were there for a good, what did you say, 5-6 hours in your house. They didn't find Bashorga. So didn't you tell him, you know, they searched my house, they were there, they didn't find him?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. Have you got anything, or did you have anything to do with the kidnapping and the disappearance of Bashorga?
No.
So did you tell Sabia this? Why are you questioning me about Bashorga?
Yes, he told me that my name came to his office.
Your name came to his office?
Yes.
He didn't tell you who brought your name to his office, how it came to get to his office?
No, but if I go back, I will say during that period, I also received a call, but they said it's from Brigadier Ramangwa's office. They wanted to come and also interrogate me about this thing, but they never came.
So
I heard that from Jerry's brother.
you heard from Jerry's brother?
Yes, they went to Jerry's brother and they told him they were going to come to me as well. They went to him and interrogated him, and then they told him that they will come to me as well, but to me they never came.
Who is Jerry Bashorga?
What do you mean? Who? When I say who?
Okay.
Who in what way?
Who is he? What is he to you? Do you have a relationship with him?
Yes.
Do you know him?
Yes, he's a close friend of mine.
He's a close friend of
Yes.
yours? A friend or a business associate?
A friend.
Because you said that Sabia was not speaking to you as a witness or a potential witness. Did you witness anything about Jerry being kidnapped?
No.
Do you know he had been kidnapped?
Say that again?
Did you know he had been kidnapped?
Yes, I know.
What do you know about his kidnapping? When did it happen? Where did it happen? Do you know who kidnapped him?
I don't remember the date. I just remember his brother called me that night and told me that his brother is being kidnapped.
And would you know why he would have been kidnapped?
Okay, can I take it through?
Yes.
Yes. His brother said that Jerry called him and he said he needs to go somewhere and fetch some stuff, so he needs him to go with him. And then I asked him, what were you going to fetch? And then he said to me, there's some 20-liter drums that they're going to fetch. So Jerry asked assistance from him. And then when they got
Sorry, I missed that.
I'm saying he said they were going to fetch some a 20 liter of some drums.
Of some drums?
Yes.
What in the drum?
Inside the drums is some stuff that Jerry used to buy to sell, to manufacture his narcotics.
Yes, I was actually going to ask you, or put it to you, were they drugs? So it was narcotics.
Come again?
It was narcotics.
Yes.
He was going to fetch narcotics.
Yes.
Yeah.
So then he went with him to somewhere, he said somewhere in Centurion. And then when he got there, he said, there's a guy who came there in a Mercedes-Benz. And he said, Jerry got out of that car that he was with his brother in, and then he jumped into the other car. And then he said to that guy that, hey, this is my brother. And he waved at him. And he said, listen, wait for us here, we will come back. And then they left, and they never came back. So maybe around, I don't remember the time well, but it was at night, I was sleeping. Maybe 11 or 12, I don't remember well. I got a call from him. He said, hey, I received a missed call. My brother is being, not a missed call, a message, a voice note. My brother has been kidnapped. So I said, where are you? He said, I'm at his house. And then I drove there. I took the car, drove there. It was at night, I think already AMs, I don't remember well. And then when I got to his house, I asked also the wife, before he left, what did he say? The wife told me that he said there's this other guy who he said he owes him. He's going to fetch his money. So I asked him, do you know the name? Yeah, he told me the name, but the name I forgot it now. But she told me the name of the guy who called him. So I forgot the name. So I asked the brother, but when you know what actually you were going to fetch there? So he said, yeah, but I can't tell the wife what we were going to fetch. Okay, and then after some few days when they were busy doing the investigations, I told them that, listen, I don't think they will find him if you don't tell them who was he going to meet. They rather tell them the truth rather than they arrest him and then at least they find him. So if you don't tell them what was he going to do, how are they going, at least you give them a clue of where they need to go and search if you tell them the truth. So they refused to tell the police the truth of what he was really going to do. So I couldn't tell them myself, but as much as now I was getting calls as well that, hey, I ended up telling the police. I told General CB that this guy was going to fetch these things. Because now you don't want to tell them, and now it looks like now the police won't even have a clue where to sniff. But at least if you give them a clue, they'll know they will look in this direction.
Yeah.
So that's how I ended up telling him, okay, this is what actually he was going to fetch from this guy. So that's what I know.
That's what you know, but you never told Colonel Khumalo this, who was leading the raid on your house on the 6th of this. When did this happen, the kidnapping of Jerry?
I think it was in November. I don't remember the date.
Probably late November.
I don't remember.
Okay. So when Colonel Khumalo came to your house, because I think he did introduce himself to you. Initially, you said you thought it was a robbery because these people were masked and with guns and it looked like a robbery. But then he told you, I'm Colonel Khumalo.
Yeah, but they can still rob you even they tell you that it's Colonel Khumalo.
Of course.
Yeah.
But so why don't you tell him, Colonel, sorry, you know, you're barking up the wrong tree here. I know, Jerry. I know what happened because I was told what happened by his wife. I'd gone there and to relate what you're telling us today, that he actually went on some narcotics transaction to fetch a drum. What did you say? 20 kg drum. And it seems as if this was a transaction that went wrong. He was bundled into a Mercedes-Benz. Where did it take place? Where did the brother say it took place?
Centurion.
In Centurion.
Yes.
So the brother is a witness, a material witness to what actually happened.
Yes.
I think did he wave, or his brother still waved goodbye or something when he was in the car?
Yes.
In the meantime, it's a kidnapping.
Yes.
So why didn't you tell Colonel Khumalo this? So I don't know his whereabouts. He's been kidnapped. He's not in my house.
Oh, of course I told him.
You didn't, well, certainly you didn't mention that in your statement. You didn't mention it in your court, in the affidavit in support of your court application, that there was actually no basis for the police to raid your house because you did not have this person in your custody or in a house. Why didn't you mention it in your court application?
In the court application, I was talking about harassment.
Don't you think it was important to mention in your court application that the police were raiding your house for someone you didn't detain in your house? You didn't keep that person in your house, didn't hide that person in your house?
I think it's there in my court application, but I mentioned only Avi's wife and the son.
Okay, we'll see if we can
Yes.
find the. You say you did mention it.
I mentioned Avi's wife and the son, I think, yeah.
You mentioned, I think it is.
I just mentioned this one, but I mentioned two, Jerry's one and this other one.
So what was what did you say there were? There were two kidnappings.
Yes.
So because you say, and this is at in the annexure which is your court application and your affidavit attached. It's on page 54, paragraph 17. The officers then asked me if I know anything of the kidnapping of Mr. Abi Dikgate's wife and son, and why I would help someone that I don't know in the kidnapping and aid in the kidnapping. I answered and confirmed that I was requested to assist the Dikgate family to locate the whereabouts of Mrs. Dikgate and her minor son. This is due to the fact that I am the owner of the security company. So was both Mrs. Dikgate and her minor son also kidnapped?
Yes.
Who's her minor son?
Who? I don't know the name of the son.
So it's Mrs. Dikgate, her minor son, and Jerry who were kidnapped.
Yes.
And all three of them is the kidnapping all narcotics, drugs related?
No, I know about Jerry's one. This one, they just kidnapped them. So, but they brought them back because I think apparently they are here that he paid a ransom, but I'm not sure about it. I've never met AB after that.
What is the status of Jerry's whereabouts now? Has he been found?
No.